Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about ATS. What exactly is this ATS? What is the buzz around ATS? So we're going to talk about it in detail to ensure that you are beating that ATS and getting ranked higher with your own resume every time you are applying for a role that you really want to be in your life. So let's get started.
ATS or application tracking systems are used by 3 out of 4 companies. And if I talk about Fortune 500, almost 95% of the companies are using ATS to shortlist the resumes. So let's look at what is the buzz around application tracking systems. Number one, if I talk about application tracking systems, why there is a need to worry about it is that the first question that comes to my mind here is, do I need to change my entire resume each time I'm applying for a job? The answer is no. But do I need to change my resume? The answer is a resounding yes. So why am I saying so is because if you don't optimize your resume for the job description of the role on offer, then most likely, even if let's say you apply for 100, 200 companies, that you will get a shortlist of one or hardly, two-ish kind of companies. And that too on purely, a luck basis because it just so happened that your resume kind of matched with job description coincidentally, and that's the reason you have kind of gotten the opportunity to talk to the interviewer. So whenever you are applying for a job, what you need to do is that you need to change the resume for the job description. Now a very important question that might be coming to your mind is that how do I make changes in my resume every time I'm applying for a job? So here is a trick that I'm going to show you which will completely help you in making that change in quickly within 2 to 3 minutes of time. Now, as I mentioned, most of the big companies, they use ATS to check their resume. If you look at LinkedIn also, it clearly shows that you are in top 50%, top 10%, top 20% of all the candidates who has applied for a particular company. So naturally, if there are more number of resumes, then company looks at just top 10-20% of the resumes that the ATS has given to them. The remaining 70-80% of the resumes are not even checked by a human eye. Okay, like I said, 75% of the times the resumes get rejected even before they are seen by a human eye. So this is how typically a screenshot of an application tracking system looks like. So I actually myself have seen few of those application tracking systems, and hence I'm able to give you the screenshot. It gives a particular rank. It says so. For this person, the rank is 92%. This person, the rank is 85%. This person, the rank is 83%. So if I have to just pick 2 resumes, I might pick a resume of Jason and Shannon because these 2 people have ranked higher than that of all the people who are out there and applied for that particular kind of a role. Now, how does ATS does that ranking? It matches the resume and the JD. Whenever that keyword match happens, basis that keyword match, it basically gives that rank to the hiring managers. Now look at how exactly can you do that keyword match for your own resume. So there are a lot of websites now which allow you to basically do a match, but there is one particular website that helps you in doing that very quickly, absolutely for free. And we're going to look at the example of that particular website, which is wordclouds.com. So here I have opened a word cloud, and I'll see, I'll try to showcase you for a particular kind of use case, particular kind of job description, and how to use this word cloud to your advantage to make your resume ATS compliant. Let's look at an example of a data scientist job. Let's assume for a minute that you are looking for a data scientist role. Now, if I look at this Google search, it shows that Spotify is looking for a data scientist for their company. And what I will do is that I'll just quickly copy the job description. It has started from here. I'll just copy the entire job description and I'm going to put it in the word cloud to showcase you like what are the keywords, what are the top keywords appearing in the job description. So if you look at this. So if you look at this graphic here, the bigger the word, bigger is the frequency of that particular word in the JD. So if you look at this graphics, it says that data is there the most number of time in your resume. So if I even go to the word list, it shows that the data is coming 8 times, insights is coming 6 times, science is coming 6 times, user is coming 5 times, analytics is coming 4 times, growth is coming 4 times. So all of these words are coming in this resume. So if these keywords are not there in your resume, then this is the time for you to change your keywords or optimize your keywords in your resume in such a fashion that these keywords are appearing more than once, twice in your resume to ensure that that match is happening for your resume.
If you are finding the content of this video helpful, then consider liking this video right now and subscribe the channel to get more updates on job search from ThinkSage.
Right? One more thing, have an intellectual honesty. Just do not put those keywords for the sake of putting it there, because even if let's say you get shortlisted and if you don't have that skill set, then you will anyway get rejected in the interview because they're going to ask you questions on that specific skill set. So this particular word cloud will also tell you indirectly that whether you are someone who is a good fit for that particular role or not, right? So if you are someone who has this right skill set, the keywords pertaining to those right skill set coming here, then you can quickly make that change in your resume and start applying for the company just by making that keyword change. That will put you ahead of most of the candidates. But if there are keywords which are completely alien to you, you don't know about these keywords, it's better you leave out applying. It's better you save your energy for maybe applying for a different company altogether, or you go back to the drawing board and start learning about those things. Do a certification, do a project, or do an internship, which ensures that you are know about these kind of keywords, and you are now well equipped to apply for this kind of a particular company. Yeah. So what you need to do is that every time you are applying for a company, as an assignment of this particular exercise, every time you are applying for a company, copy the job description the way I have done here in the word clouds and put that job description in the word cloud. See by yourself what are the keywords that are appearing more number of times and try to put those keywords in your resume before applying for a job. Initially, it will take you 4-5 minutes of amount of time, but when you start doing it over and over again, it so will happen that you will be able to apply for a job within less than 2 minutes of your time.
So that's about it in this video. If you have any questions, be it a question on the structure of your resume, how to work around the application tracking systems, or quantification of your bullet points, action verbs, anything that is specific to resume, please comment below. I'm going to answer all these questions on the comment box itself. Wish you all the very best with your resume.